this is the assessment. We are going to do the assessment of the mock SDT done by one of the aspirant, Prashant. So Prashant, you need to read out your whole SDT, your whole self-description test. And once you are done, then we're going to do the individual assessment of SDT, right? So
Okay,
over
sir.
to you,
Okay.
Prashant.
Okay, sir. So, opinion about my parents. My parents think that I am a hardworking and honest boy. They believe that I can do well in my studies or in area of my interest if I put effort in that field. They also think that I am responsible guy and they can depend on me for any outdoor or indoor work. Opinion about my employer. My employer thinks that I am a obedient and a punctual guy as I am always on time in my office. They also believe that I can do any task related to my work and also have the flexibility to do any kind of work. My friend thinks that I am a person with good heart and always ready to help them whenever they need me. They also think that I am a socializing person whom can gel up with any person. Okay. I think I am a hardworking, honest, and a disciplined boy with an attitude of not giving up and improving myself on daily basis. I have few weakness also, but I daily try myself to overcome them. My weakness is I sometimes used to overthink. I would like to develop my quality of expressing myself or my ideas to other person in terms of English communication skills, as I am not able to express myself properly when it comes to English language. Thank you, sir.
Okay, all right. So based upon the SDT that you have written, so obviously as of now we can do the individual assessment to it. So as
Yes,
I've
sir.
always said in my other SDT assessments, which I'm sure all of you know, that an SDT assessment is always done on at two levels. First level is the combined assessment with all the
Hmm.
psychology which you have been giving, the TAT, VAT, SDT, and then the SRT, and then SDT. So, and the another is the individual SDT assessment. So as of now, this is purely SDT. So we'll do the
Yes, sir.
individual SDT assessment. So if I talk about the overall what you have written, then everything what you have written is fine, right?
Okay, sir.
Everything
Yes,
is
sir.
perfectly fine, but there are few things which you need to
Uh,
filter out, which are very, very important,
hmm.
right? uh, See, when it has been asked about others' opinion, that what your parents think about you,
Hmm.
so you
Yes, sir.
write, you just wrote, my parents think that I am fine.
Yes, sir.
मेरे parents ऐसा सोचते हैं. But always remember, when it comes to your own self, don't
Hmm.
write I think.
Okay, sir.
देखिए फर्क देखिए क्या है.
Hmm.
जब मैं अपने को बोलता हूँ आई थिंक आई एम, इट ऑल्सो गिव्स एन इम्प्रेशन अबाउट माई पर्सनैलिटी कि मैं सोचता हूँ. मुझे
Yes, sir.
सोचना नहीं है, मुझे करना है.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. So
हाँ,
it
sir.
it should be like this. I am a hard working.
Okay, sir.
It should not be I think. Got it?
Okay. Got
Number
it, sir.
very
Hmm.
important. This is a
Yes,
very
sir.
small thing, but a very
हाँ.
important for all of you to note.
Yes, sir.
पर्सपेक्टिव ही चेंज हो जाता है जब हम किसी और को बोलते हैं वो मेरे बारे में सोचता है.
Hmm.
दैट्स फाइन, वो ऐसा सोचता है. मैं सोचता हूं अपने बारे में, मतलब मैं सोचता हूं. पता नहीं ऐसा है या नहीं है, पता नहीं.
Okay, sir.
आई हैव टू शो माई एक्शन.
Yes, sir.
आर यू गेटिंग माई पॉइंट?
Yes, yes, I'm
We
getting.
are concerned with ourselves, right? So this is
Hmm.
one very small thing, but has a very important impact. Another
Yes,
is
sir.
whenever you write in SDT about your own self, always
Yes,
remember,
sir.
try to write this again, saying not just that I am this,
Yes,
but
sir.
showing that with your action. Like when you say I am a hardworking, so you can write I am a hardworking as I do this and this, as in just writing that I am hardworking, disciplined. What you have written this? Honest,
Honest, honest.
honest. Rather than this, I I would suggest that you should write that. For example, I'll tell you.
Hmm.
Uh, I am a hardworking person and always love to work on myself. Whenever I have some shortcomings, I try to accept them and really want to improve onto them. Now, this statement, if I say, I have shown that what I do, indirectly,
Yes, sir.
this statement is showing that I am honest person. I am honest to myself. अगर मैं अपने आप से ईमानदार हूं तो दूसरों से भी होऊंगा ना.
Yes, sir.
So second important thing, whenever specifically in SDT you are writing about your own self, just not simply mention this, I am this, I am this. Rather,
sir.
I am this, why? Do showcase it with your action,
Okay,
which
sir.
I have been telling you to do in story writing everywhere.
Okay, sir.
Correct?
Yes,
किसी
sir.
ने कहा है एक्शन स्पीक्स लाउडर देन वर्ड्स. ये एक ऐसा
Yes,
यूनिवर्सल टूल है जहां भी आप अपनी पर्सनालिटी को फॉर एग्जांपल किसी भी लेवल पे अपने एक्शन से दिखाएंगे ना, वो हमेशा
yes,
बहुत
sir.
सुंदर तरीके से आउटशाइन करेगी.
Yes, sir.
आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? जैसे
Yes,
मैं
sir. I'm getting.
दे देता हूं आपको, आई हैव अ वेरी गुड स्टेमिना.
Yes, sir.
मैं इसको बड़े जान लगा के जोर से और बड़े ढंग से बोलना जानता हूं. एक आदमी ये है पर्सन 1. देयर इज अ पर्सन 2 जिसको बोलना भी नहीं आता, कुछ एक्सप्रेस ही नहीं करना था, जीरो.
Yes, sir.
वो इंसान कुछ नहीं बोल पाता, बट वो क्या करता है, वो जाता है और वो ग्राउंड के चुपचाप 10 चक्कर मारने लग जाता है.
Yes, sir.
कौन सा पर्सन 1 और पर्सन 2 में से कौन सा आदमी सामने लोगों के माइंड में बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग छाप छोड़ेगा?
Second wala action. The one who has done it.
Because actions get
हाँ.
they get encrypted, they get actually written, coded in our brain. Because when we see
Yes.
an action, जैसे एग्जाम्पल के तौर पे मैं आपको ये बोलता हूँ, देखो बड़े ध्यान से समझना, एक छोटा सा एग्जाम्पल.
हाँ, sir.
यार मैंने ना एक एक्सीडेंट देखा आज हाईवे पे और गाड़ी पूरी फ्लिप हो गई. मैंने बोला, आपने
हाँ,
सुना,
sir.
मैंने बड़े स्ट्रांगली बताया, आपने कहा
Yes, sir.
ओहो. अब अगर ये आपने अपनी आंखों के सामने होता हुआ देखा होता तो स्थिति क्या होती?
मैं याद रखता.
याद नहीं
और
रखते,
अच्छे से
वो
बिलीव करता.
दिमाग
बिलीव
इतना
करता.
स्ट्रांगली
हाँ.
आ जाता अभी, और गाड़ी
हाँ.
उड़ गई हवा में.
हाँ. Yes, sir. Exactly.
That means action has a more profound imprint over in our mind
Yes, sir.
rather than just the words.
Okay, sir.
So when you are expressing in words
हाँ.
also about yourself, express
Yes,
your
sir.
actions rather than just saying few words about yourself.
Okay, sir.
Clear, everyone? Clear about this? It's very, very important,
Yes, sir.
right? So this is the major thing. Otherwise, everything is fine as an individual assessment. But this is the only thing which you need to do in order to filter out your SDT part, right?
Sir, actually, yes, sir. Actually, the similar SRT, SDT, I wrote it in my last SSB. So that's why I write this one. Like the SDT which I write in my last SSB, it was almost similar to this one.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So fine. So this is the filtration which you need to do very precisely so that you
Yes,
can
sir.
filter out more and more to yourself.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Chali. So this is the analysis of the SDT is complete. All right.